Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add age verification in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is you can head over right here to our help site. Make sure to sign up on their actual page. Now in here, click on this add new app, and then you should see in here the app catalog. So search in here for age verification. Now you can see this, so click on this one. And then once you have done that, you can choose a template that you can actually use. So you have in here this one as well as this one and also this. So just choose which one actually resonates with you. I'll just head over and choose this one and click on this continue with this template. And in here you can set the minimum age as well as the verification method. You can choose date of birth and also the year of birth and also the yes or no buttons. And you can also remember visitor for 30 days as well as underage action. So you can put in here a message you're not old enough for this content and you can choose where to display it. So in here, I'll just head over and click on publish. Once you're done with that, you can click a plan to install as widget. So just pick a plan and in here you can see the code. So copy it and then let's head back to our WordPress. Let's click on this plus icon right here and let's search in here for HTML. Now in here, let's add this custom HTML right here. And now let's paste our code. Now let's click on preview in order to see what it will look like. Now it will also take some time in order to show this because that particular image or widget is actually quite big. So what you can do is you can just save your progress and you should be able to see it once you click on this preview icon right there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.